Alrighty, y'all, I have made it in the car out of Family Dollar. So I got everything that I just needed. I have to be aware of my surroundings because, I mean, Charlotte is a better place than where I'm from, but, you know, people still be, you know, iffy. But I'm getting ready to head in Bath and Body Works first. I'm gonna try to set myself, well, I am going to not overspend, but I know they have their like semi-annual sale and there's a lot of stuff that's like 75% off. So I want to see what I can get with maybe $30 to $50. And then I think I'm gonna try to find a salon or nail salon over there on that side of town. I decided to not like stop anywhere to get anything to drink. I just got the cherry lime chill Sprite. I think I've had this one before. I wasn't necessarily feeling a dark soda. I wanted something like cool and crispy. So ooh, I don't care what nobody say. Sprite gonna do it sometimes. I'm a Coke girl through and through, but Sprite gonna do it. But anyways, I only spent $31 in Family Dollar. I got us 2 electric toothbrushes, I got us a pack of tissue, and I got a bottle of mouthwash, and then a 2-roll pack of paper towels, and that was $31. I used a coupon in Family Dollar. They always have that clip $5 off coupon if you spend $25 or more. So my original total was like 36, so now it's 31. But I think that's a win. If y'all don't know me, I am a coupon clipper. I'm not like an avid coupon clipper, like every time I go shop I'm clipping coupons, but for stores that I shop frequently, like Family Dollar, Dollar General, things like that, I do clip coupons because I know I'm going in there to buy like bulk stuff, like a lot of our household stuff, and that can get pricey. So I try to clip coupons, or I'll shop at Dollar Tree first and then I go to other stores where I can't find my essentials. But that's probably a different video for a different day. But today we're dilly-dallying, we're not worrying about too many things, so let's head to Bath and Body Works to see what we can get, girl. Okay, I have made it to Bath and Body Works. I'm getting ready to head in. One little tip that I always have for myself and that I wanted to share with y'all, when it comes for me shopping on a budget or being reasonable or being a good steward over what I have, I like to set a budget, and like I said, I like to shop in areas where all the stores I need to go are in one place, so I'm not overindulging on stuff that I typically wouldn't buy just because I don't want to drive elsewhere. And then lastly, like keeping in mind what I said I was going to get, like I typically never go anywhere without a list, even if it's one thing. I always go in with a list. So when I'm going to Bath and Body Works, I, instead of like trying to walk around the whole store and just see what I can throw in my cart, I'm going in there because I have kind of everything that I need. The only thing that I really like want is a body wash, and they have their semi-annual sale. So I'm going in there with mine, what's on clearance and what do I actually need. They also have like wallflower refills on sale. I don't really have the wallflower plug, so I don't know if I'm gonna look for that, but definitely like some girly body washes. I do feel like I can get a few of those. We already have tons of hand soap, tons of lotion. I don't really need any makeup or like lip care products or candles. So the main thing I'm going in there is like to see what scent I like as far as the body wash, and try some different body washes and maybe get one for Jawan, and then that'll be it. So I'm so excited. Let's go do some girl things and dilly and dally in Bath and Body Works. Alrighty, you guys, I have made it back in the car, so I decided let's do a little Bath and Body Works haul. I spent only $32.08, and I feel like I got quite a bit of stuff, so let's dive into it. At first I was like right at $39, and I was like, no, I want to use my $10 off $40, so I got like one more of a certain thing. But anyways, I spent $32, which I think I said I wanted to spend $30 and $50, so I think I did relatively good. So let's hop right into what I got at the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. Okay, so first up I got the Bath and Body Works Frosted Coconut Snowball body wash. The scent on this is Frosted Coconut, North Pole Vanilla, Winter Freesia, Snow Kissed Woods, and Spun Sugar. I got this one because it still smelled very wintry, but I feel like it's going to be like a good in between winter and when it does start to like warm up for good. I don't know what's going on. It's 87 degrees right now in my car. I don't know, but I got this body wash. And then I also got the Infinite Radiance. I feel like this is a good like year-round scent. It smells very warm, kind of more heavy, so maybe more wintry, so that's why I went ahead and got it. But I think it can still be used year-round or like a nighttime scent. I don't know the notes for this one, but I got this one. Then another body wash, I told y'all I was mainly only doing body washes because that's all I needed. So another body wash I got is for Jawan. It's the Whiskey Toast Men's Hair Collection, the 3-in-1 face and body wash. I hate when they make men's products like a 3-in-1. Like, they don't do women's products like that, and it's for a reason. Like, you need a separate shampoo, a separate conditioner, a separate body wash. I don't know why they do that for men, but I get this for Jawan just so he can use it on his body because I share some of my hair products with him so he can have hair products. But I got the Whiskey Toast body wash, and I don't really know the scents or the notes that's in it, so I don't know, but it smells very manly and I like the way it smells, so I think it'll work. But this is the Whiskey Toast body wash. Let me, hopefully y'all can see, the sun is sunning, y'all, but I got that. And then the last body wash that I got is Apris All Day. It's a dermatologist tested body wash, and all of these have the vitamin B and aloe in them, so I'm hoping they're very like moisturizing and hydrating. Now this one does have the notes on the back. This one is Sparkling Snow, Ice Peonies, and Sugar Coated Woods, and it has aloe, like I said, and pro vitamin B5, so I got this one. Anyways, I got these 4 body washes, which I think is a good deal, especially because they're typically like $15 a pop, so 60 versus everything I got for 30. Yeah. Then I told you I've really been trying to like fragrance up my home, so I did finally get a wallflower plug. I got the cheapest one because I think I want this one to go in our room, and where it's gonna go you can't really see it anyway, so I got the black one. I probably should have gotten the white one, but I don't care. It was $6.95, so I got this one. And then let's get into the fragrance refills I got to go for it. So I got 4. Yeah, I got 4, and I only got an extra one because it wasn't right at the $40 mark, and I wanted to get $10 off, so y'all know girl math. But the ones that I got, the first one I got is Fiji White Sand. I think this one smelled really, really good, so I got the Fiji White Sand. I also got Hibernation Mode, that one. And then I also got Clean Routine and Kitchen Lemon. So depending on the season, I might switch them out in whatever room, and I feel like in between now and the time I probably would use Kitchen Lemon, I will have another wallflower plug, so I think it's fine for now. I think the first one I want to use is either Fiji White Sand or Hibernation Mode. Those smelled really just cool and cozy and warm, so those are the ones I'm going to use first. But that is it for my little Bath and Body Works dilly dally haul. Since I'm done with that, I am kind of like ready to almost wrap up the day. I am getting ready to get a pedicure. I did look up online, and it's a pedicure around here, like in this plaza, so I'm gonna find that and get a pedicure. And then I think I'm gonna head to Jersey Mike's to get my dinner. I got a $20 gift card. Really, it's Juwan's, but he gave it to me. I'm looking around because I don't see where the nail salon is, and I've come to this plaza quite a few times looking for a nail salon, and I didn't know they had one over here. So I'm gonna find the nail salon, get a pedicure. Y'all already know white toes is my fave. I told you I'm gonna get regular polish to save on money, and then that's gonna be the last thing that I like buy for today. And then I told you I'm going to Jersey Mike's, and then I think that will be it. So let's go see how much it's gonna be for us to get our toes done today. I am leaving the nail salon. I got a pedicure. One thing I hate, they charge you to take off gel polish. I mean, it's only $5, but I'm like, anyways, I only spent $50 in there. I left her a tip, and I got my toes done. So y'all know the white toes. I got regular polish this time, but now I'm getting ready to go to Jersey Mike's. Y'all, I'm headed home. I'm tired. I need like a little nap or something, but it's been fun so far. So let's go to Jersey Mike's and try that sub, and then I'll catch up in a bit. Okay, y'all, I am back in the car from Jersey Mike's. I wanted to tell y'all what y'all got and like do a taste test together because I've never tried it before. So I got a BLT Mike's Way, which I think is like with like oil and vinegar and like salt and pepper and oregano. And I don't know, if you want to know what Mike's Way is, I don't know, look it up on Jersey Mike's website. I don't know, but I got the BLT Mike's Way and I added, the guy asked me, he said, do you want provolone? I was like, you know, yeah, I want provolone. Actually, I don't think I've ever been to Jersey Mike's. I think this might be my first time, or I might have went when I was like younger. Maybe like my mom gave me a sub from Jersey Mike's when I was younger, but I haven't myself as an adult been to Jersey Mike's. So yeah, I got the BLT Mike's Way and I added banana peppers, mayo, and cherry pepper relish as well as provolone. So let's taste your girl. And I also got some other stuff. I got spicy dill pickle Miss Vicky's chips. I love Miss Vicky's. I typically get jalapeno, but I love a spicy chip, so I was like, you know what, let me try spicy dill pickle. I won't be trying those now because I like to like build my sandwich, but I did want to do a taste test with y'all. And then I also got this Stubborn Classic root beer. It's supposed to be like a healthy alternative to root beer, flavor with other natural flavors, no artificial sweeteners, flavors, high fructose corn, no bad sugar, girl. Get it out. Protein. Ooh, she still got a lot of sugar, but neither here nor there. All right, let's taste this viral sub everybody is always talking about. Oh, I also got it on the like rosemary parmesan bread. Okay, she looks good. So this is what she looks like straight out the wrapper, or whatever you want to call it. She looks cute. Let's open her up. Oh. One thing I feel like all sandwich shops, I don't know, don't do is like they don't cut it all the way through, so I'm like breaking my bread. But anyway, she looks good. All right, let's give her a taste. Typically, I'm not a BLT girly because I don't really like tomatoes, but I have to be in the mood for tomatoes, and every once in a while I'll do a tomato on my sandwich or my burger. But anyways, let's see. Y'all, that hit. Wow, I am, y'all, I can't even wrap my girl up right. Hold on, because wait a minute, why y'all ain't tell me Jersey Mike's had good subs? I don't know. That cherry pepper relish is really doing it. I'm ready to get back home and eat it. That's good. It's like salty, a little hint of sweetness. It's tangy, it's savory, and the fact that it has no deli meat on it, it just has the bacon on it, and I got like the provolone, the lettuce, and tomato. It's really, really good. Wow, y'all. So if y'all haven't tried that Jersey Mike's sub, y'all go try it out. Thankfully I had a gift card so I can try it in case I didn't like it, but I really, really like it. Like, I would come back to Jersey Mike's to get that again for lunch or something like that. So I'm glad that there's one up the street from me where I live. But anyways, I think that is it. My battery is getting ready to die. It is now 5:00 p.m. Jawan is getting off from work. He did say he was going to get off early. So I think that is it. I'm just going to head home, eat my little sub, my chips, and this root beer, and braid my hair back up. And I think I'm going to start editing some videos that I have in the vault. I have like 2 or 3 videos in the vault, including this one. So I hope y'all like this vlog. Let me know in the comment section below, when is the last time you had a do nothing day, a dilly dally day? And if it takes you more than 5 minutes to think about it, then let this video serve as a reminder to, girl, take a break. Don't set anything on your schedule today. If you can, remove some things, even if they're super pressing. At least delay them a little bit if you can, so you can take some time to pour into yourself, do things that fill your cup, and relax a little bit, because girl, you deserve it. It's the end of the year. Whenever I post this, I don't know, it might be the beginning of the year. You've been working really hard and you deserve a break. So I hope y'all like this vlog and spending the day with me doing some girl things, dilly and dallying, not doing anything too particular, and letting the wind blow, as they say, just like seeing where the car takes me, which God has taken me. So that's it. I didn't go over budget having this like self-care dilly dally run errands with me day. I think at the most I spent $50 at the nail salon. I spent $30 at Bath and Body Works, and that's literally all I got. I think $80 for one day. I don't think it's horrible. Oh, and I went to Family Dollar earlier, but that came out of our like joint account, so that's not like my spending money. But $80 I don't think is bad, and I had a really good day. I got my toes done, I got some new body washes I'm excited to try, and I got something to eat. Girl, today was a day I'm excited. I have fun. So I hope y'all like this video, and I hope to see you in the next vlog. Bye.